Hey team, I'm Penny from Monaco Nail Academy and welcome back to another episode of What She Said, the weekly video series where we dispel nail myths that we've heard from our friends and clients throughout the courses of our careers. This week, what she said is, I'm going to let my nails breathe for a while. This is one of my favorites and my students know very well that this is one of my favorites because generally speaking, my initial reaction is, nails don't have lungs. They can't breathe. Now I can completely understand why you might feel that your nails need a break every now and then, but it shouldn't be because you feel like they need to breathe or relax or dry out or have a break from product. The thing is that it takes 12 to 16 weeks for your nail plate to grow from the eponychium, which is around the area at the base of the nail, what most people call the cuticle, from the eponychium to the hyponychium, which is the connection underneath your nail plate where, like, if something goes under your nail it hurts, it's hurting the hyponychium. So it takes 12 to 16 weeks for a nail to grow from the eponychium at the bottom to the hyponychium at the top. And so if you are wearing nails for, let's say, 6 months, and you decide to take a break, actually your nail hasn't been there that whole time. It's only been there for 3 to 4 months. When you have nails applied, you can imagine that you walk into a salon with naked nails, you have a full set of acrylics or gel polish put on, and then you leave, and that entire area of nail plate is applied with product for the first time. When you go back in 3 weeks' time, you will have a small amount of the nail to be filled in for the first time. You'll have new product added so that it doesn't look growing out. That happens again and again every 3 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks. And so if you have nails that are taking, say, 12 weeks to grow out and you're having them redone every 3 weeks, that means that you have essentially 4 sets of appointments sitting on your nail at any one time. I hope you know what I mean. If not, check me in the comments below, but I'm doing my best to explain this. So when you say that your nails need a break, for example, only the very top quarter of your nail plate has had acrylic on the entire time. The second quarter got acrylic 9 weeks ago. The third quarter got acrylic 6 weeks ago. The last quarter got acrylic 3 weeks ago. And then you've got that fresh growth at the back. So when you say that your nails need to breathe or they need to take a break, actually they haven't been there that long. So yes, you might have had acrylics on for the last 6 months, the last year, the last 20 years, but actually the same nail plate hasn't been there the whole time, so whether it needs a break or not, it's not based on how long you've had nails on. Now, the only reason that you might choose to have your nails have a break is if you can see that there's a little bit of damage, they're breaking more often than they used to, they're getting flimsy, you can feel when a gel polish removal is done that they don't look right, that sort of thing. Now, if any of those things are happening to your nails, I want you to take it as a warning sign because that shouldn't be happening. You shouldn't need a break to let your nails repair themselves. If any nail service, gel polish, hard gel, acrylic, dipping systems, polygel, any service is put on your nail properly and then you look after it well while you're wearing it and then it's removed or maintained safely, then your nail should be pretty much the same thickness and the same condition underneath that it has been the entire time, right since they were totally naked and you had nothing on them. There shouldn't be a reason for you to let your nails repair and recover or breathe. What you should be doing is looking for a nail technician that's going to look after your nails and make sure that breathing isn't necessary. If you're a nail technician, feel free to share this video with your clients, share it to your page, tell all your friends, and tell me in the comments below what you've heard clients and friends say that you believe to be complete nail myths. I will see you next week for another episode of What She Said.